Question 17. A particle moves along a straight line. Fixed point O lies on this line. The displacement of the particle from O at time t seconds is s meters, where s equals 4t squared minus 9 over t. The question asks us to find the velocity of the particle at time 5 seconds. So whenever you have displacement and you're being asked for velocity, this is a calculus question, this is a differentiation question where the velocity is equal to the rate of change with respect to time of displacement. So Rs equals 4t squared minus 9 over t. We need to differentiate that in order to get an equation for the velocity. However, before we can differentiate this, we need all our variables in index form. So this 9 over t is a problem that we've got to deal with straight away. We can't have letters in the bottom of a fraction if we want to differentiate. So that t needs to be brought up top, which will create a t to the power minus 1. The rest of our displacement formula remains unchanged. So we have 4t squared minus 9t to the power minus 1. We now differentiate that. So we have our 2 times our 4, turning that into an 8t, and the power of 2 becomes a power of 1, and our negative 1 multiplying by our negative 9 gives us a positive 9, and this power of minus 1 is going to become a power of minus 2. What we have, so that's us done the differentiation part. What we have next is that the question gives us the time as being 5 seconds, which means we can substitute 5 in for t. So subbing 5 into our velocity formula as follows, and typing that into the calculator will give us our final answer, which our velocity gives us 40.36. Now technically you don't need any units for this, but because of the fact that we're dealing with meters and seconds, our velocity would end up being meters per second. Done.